Hello everybody, Mr. Rob here from Grade 4 and I'm going to speak to you today about how to complete your day on Microsoft Teams, Forms and Streams. This video is really going to show you how to grow your heart and your mind through your distance learning adventure. So, what I'm going to do first of all is I am going to open up Microsoft Teams, which looks like this. Now, one of the children in my class has been very kind and let me use their login for this. This means that this video is going to be exactly how it looks for you guys. Quick tip whilst Microsoft Teams is loading. Your username and password for Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Streams, Microsoft Forms is always the same. Wow! Look at all of these notifications I have. And I've got two on my group here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is click on my team on my group. So this child is in 4L and the teacher is Mr. Rob. So let's click on there and see what these are. Wow, I've got two notifications here. I know that these are new because these are on today. Well, I know I need to put a love heart on this message and it's got some important information. Let's read it. Welcome full-time distance learners and Group B. Your teachers have prepared for you some exciting lessons and activities to help you continue to grow your hearts and minds. In your online Teams classroom, you will find your to-do list, which is down here, pre-recorded lessons and assignments for the week in English, Math, Science, Arabic, Islamic and PE. Please remember to make time for breaks, eat a healthy lunch and reach out to your teacher if you should need support. Be on the lookout for live lesson invitations from your teachers and be prepared to receive a visit from your teacher on Teams at the end of each day. Have a wonderful day and happy online learning. So, my children know that they come online at 2:30 every day so I can check in, make sure they're okay. They can ask any questions they may have and so on. So, I have said, check out the to-do list. Your to-do list is always attached to your happy Monday, happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday message. Let's open this up and see what I have to do today. Okay. Ooh, some exciting things here. So, my first jobs are to listen to the National Anthem and the Holy Quran. Afterwards, I must watch the Good Morning message and I must send a good morning message on Teams to my teacher. That is something which I will do. And then below that I have my ELA, Math, Arabic and so on. Okay, I've finished looking at that now. Let's click close. You might remember one of the first things on the to-do list was to listen to the National Anthem and Quran. That is always attached to your happy Monday, happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday video. So click on this and it will load up. Afterwards, the teacher, Mr. Rob, he said that I must watch his video from Miss Shimer, or it might come from somebody like Miss Lorraine, Mr. Owen, Miss Jackie. So be on the lookout for who's doing this video. So let's put a like on there so my teacher knows I've watched it. To load this video, where do you think I click? It's on the big picture of it, and the video will open up here. I will leave this video for you guys to watch later as a surprise. So that's my videos watched. That's my teacher. I will have sent a message to them. I've liked everything so they know that I am attending distance learning. Let's have a look at my assignments. Assignments are always here with the picture of a rucksack. Let's click on that. I wonder what work Mr. Rob has set me today. So I select my class. I have got two pieces of work to do here. I have my math, I have my ELA. I will start my ELA, my English work first. Click on it. What's my instructions? Click the link below. Mr. Rob is a great help for me. He makes all the work super easy, but I know that if I have any questions, I can ask him. So let's click that link right now. So sometimes your work will open up in an internet browser like Google Chrome. Not a problem though, we can still do it. At the top, to make sure it's your work, you'll see G4 for grade 4, ELA week 1. Your teachers have put your learning objective at the top with your bronze, silver and gold success criteria. This is so you know exactly what to do, just like when you see the bronze, silver and gold star in your class. Then, the first thing you will always see is a video from your teacher. And a question, have you watched the video? Some teachers have been really creative and putting in a secret word, almost like a password in the video, which you have to type in. So, let's hit play. And you can see Miss Sarah is here talking about her English lesson and doing some mindfulness with grade 4. Moving on, you have some multiple choice questions which are about the video. Now don't copy my answers, grade 4, they are not the correct ones. Once you've finished all your bronze tasks, your silver and gold tasks are optional. These tasks are here to really stretch your thinking and help you grow your mind. Sometimes you will need to upload something. To do that, click on Upload File, select your file and hit Open. This will slowly upload. At the end of your task, just like last year, jump onto Menti and tell us how you grew your heart and mind, and we have a small evaluation question. How did you find your learning today? 3 stars, was it easy? 2 stars, was it hard? 1 star, was it really tricky? Once you've done that, click on Submit, and away your work will go to your teacher. There we go, your response was submitted. So that is everything for this video today. I hope it helps you complete your tasks on forms. Thank you. Bye.